Midnight Blues by Gary Moore, number 17 of 21. Now what's cool about this song, it's got a nice C minor chord. It's got a nice minor pentatonic based riff. This is the minor pentatonic. But before we talk too much and don't play enough, let's break it down and focus in what is our fretting hand doing. Please make sure you've got a copy of the PDF as well. And if you don't have a copy of the PDF and tabs, just inbox me and I'll be happy to send it to you. Now we spoke about a C minor. We're starting at fret number 8, this being the 8th fret. Finger 1 is flat across the bottom 3, even 4 strings. And you're simply strumming down from the 3rd string down. And be careful not to go too fast. Take it nice and gentle, because it's the blues. It's not like that. Okay, so nice and relaxed. And then following through with that, the 10, we want to slide to the 10. It doesn't indicate a slide, but the slide to fret 10, which is there, just sounds so nice if you do. And I enjoy quite a sort of a long slide. I'll take it, a bit of a zoom out there. Just adds to the whole blues sort of vibe there. And once you've got the 10 on the 5th string, you're onto the 4th string, 8, 10, and then onto the 8 on the 3rd string. So you've got a nice little riff like that, coming back to number 10 on the 4th string. So your introduction, so far we got this. And you finish off the phrase by going back to the 10 on the 5th string and down to the 8 and 10 on the 4th. So just to change angle a bit, and we're going to take you through it step by step. Want to join along with me? 2 and 3 and 4 and again. And you can put as many slides as you want to. Now, a very important technique as well is the vibrato. You heard that when I did this, you see a little vibrato, little wiggly finger. To get that wiggly finger, or more correctly vibrato sound, what I'm doing is I'm simply putting the string sort of up and down motion. And to explain the motion, I'm resting the corner of my hand on the guitar neck. So I'm pivoting like this. And as I bring my finger in, you'll notice my finger isn't doing that. It's not this motion, it's a wrist motion. So the wrist is actually giving you the vibrato. So when you go, you can see my hand stays the same shape. It's basically, let's see if we can point there. I'm sort of resting and pivoting, if you want to call it, on the side of the guitar neck, and that gives me my vibrato. Now, what's not shown in this video as well is the 2nd chord, because it does go to an F minor. And if you want the complete song, let me know and I'll send the whole thing to you. But this purpose, as we explained, just to learn some cool riffs. F minor, it's going to start 8, 9, 10 on string 1, 2 and 3. That's F minor. And you start the same sort of vibe, but a string down. So you've got the same slide up to fret 10, but now on the 4th string. Still 8 and 10 now on the 3rd string, but now the middle finger, number 2, comes into play because of the B string tuning. I'm not going to explain why, but later, trust me on this, you're going to need a 9. Like I said, this is not on the tab, but this is the F minor riff. So you got your F minor, and you come back to the 10, and you finish off with the same 10, 8, 10, but this time on strings 4 and 3. So if you put them both together, we should have something like this. I'm going to do 2 C minors, 1 F minor and 1 C minor, and you get a basic feel for the whole blues vibe here. 2 and 3 and 4 and back to the C minor. And you got the basic riff for Midnight Blues, and I hope you enjoyed it. The next one we're going to do is the Trooper, number 18.